I'm not sure what's happening over there. What's so funny? Denver, go see your brother. Make him laugh again. Go see your brother. He was just laughing and laughing and laughing. He was being such a giggle monster. Splits. To the legs. Up the stairs. Here we go. What's so funny? Are you climbing the stairs, buddy? Yeah, good job. Here he goes. Good job. Around the bend. Be careful. This is the tricky one. It's a long ways up there, hey? And a long ways down. What do you do now? Whoa, no, no, no. Pause.